Nothing brings me more comfort than a big bowl of turkey Swedish meatballs with gravy and mashed potatoes. Start with your turkey in a bowl and add your egg, your crushed garlic, Worcestershire sauce, and panko crumbs. A little bit of salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and then stir everything until nice and smooth. Put it aside, line a baking tray with parchment paper, then dip your fingers in a bowl of water and start shaping 24 meatballs 1 inch in diameter. Place them on the tray and then place them in the preheated oven for 16 to 18 minutes. Meanwhile, to make the gravy, melt down your butter, then add your flour and whisk them together to create the roux. Once it's nice and smooth, start to incorporate your broth, and right away start whisking and continue whisking until the sauce thickens up and it starts to simmer. Then turn the heat off and incorporate your Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and your Greek yogurt. Whisk everything together until it is nice and smooth and well combined. A little bit of freshly cracked pepper and salt, and then when your meatballs are ready, take them out of the oven and then place them in the gravy. Toss everything to combine, and you're ready to serve. I love serving these on a bed of mashed potatoes with extra gravy. I hope you get to try this recipe soon. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.